In this video we'll see about different kinds of wrapping for different shapes of chocolates. So these are our chocolates. First we'll see what all kinds of wrappers we get in market. So this is one kind of wrapper. This is just a plastic wrapper. This is called Potli wrapper, and other variety will be our foil wrappers. Okay, so this Potli wrapper we secure with the help of these strings. These are called twist ties. So we wrap the chocolates with Potli wrapper and twist tie, or else with the foil wrapper. And the third kind of wrapper is the transparent wrappers for lollipops and designer chocolates, or else another option will be our cling wrap. So we get a roll like this for cling wrapping your chocolates. So one by one we will see each shape of chocolate with different wrappings. So first, this is the foil wrapper and this is the chocolate. For this kind of chocolates, you have to wrap in such a manner that the top part of your chocolate should be at the bottom of your wrapper, should be placed inverted. For foil wrapping, you have to invert your chocolate. Then start at one corner and keep folding it. Go around your chocolate. Once you finish folding completely, then start rubbing your chocolate. Start rubbing your wrapper against your chocolate with the fingers like this, so that the chocolate shape will be seen. Okay, you have to get such a nice finish once you finish your wrapping. Okay, this is one kind. With the same wrapper, I'll show you how to do for the modak. So always put your modak or any chocolate for foil wrapping in inverted position. Start at one point, go around, if it is a square chocolate, you can fold opposite sides first, then again the other two opposite sides, then start rubbing your wrapper against your chocolates using your fingers. Okay, so you have to get such a nice smooth finish, and make sure that this silver part will not be seen, only the other color. If it is gold wrapper, only gold color should be seen on your chocolate. Make sure the silver color is not exposed. Then coming to this kind of wrapping, the Potli wrapping. So we just take the chocolate. For Potli wrapping, you should not place your chocolate inverted. You have to place it in a right position, not inverted. Then get your wrapper to the center from all the sides, just like the Potli. Then twist, give it a twist. Take a twist tie. Then 1, 2 rounds, and then just twist it. Hold the twist tie and just twist your chocolate. Then this is outside, it won't look good. Just turn it around your chocolate like this. And coming to this kind of big disc chocolates, this is Florentine. So take the foil wrapper, fold all the sides. Then the most important part is just rub your chocolate on top like this, so that the design will be seen outside. On top and also on the sides. So rubbing is very much important for foil wrapping. So see how beautiful it is if you wrap it perfectly. The complete design on chocolate will be seen outside like this. And I'll also show you for hard chocolate. This is red color wrapper. Just put your hard chocolate. Always for foil wrapping, the chocolate should be inverted. Top part should go to the bottom part. So just fold on all the sides properly. And now just rub your foil with the finger. Then you will get the shape. And coming to this kind of lollipops, you will get lollipop covers like this. They are transparent. Just put your lollipop inside and make sure that your lollipop is not touching the top part and also on the sides. Make sure it is at the center. Leave some gap on top. So this is the right way. Don't put it till here. It should be here. Then put a twist tie. You can also use ribbons to give some festive look or kind something like that. Otherwise the twist tie is enough. Okay, like this. And finally, for such kind of designer bars, we can't do the foil wrapping because it won't be seen outside if we do the foil wrapping. You can use some transparent bar wrappers or else the cling wrap. So I'll show you how to wrap them in a cling wrap. So for that, take cling wrap, appropriate size of the cling wrap, cut it and place it on your surface. Then I feel like this should be my front part. So this should go down. Then fold on all the sides. Fold on all the sides. It looks like this, the final look. So this kind of bars can be done this way. Okay, so this is our cling wrap. This is lollipop wrap. This is foil. This is also the foil. This is potli. This is also foil. So these are the basic wrappers we do. And this is another kind of wrapping. With the same lollipop cover, we do this kind of wrapping. Just put your any chocolate disc or any square, anything, the flat chocolate into this and fold it and put the stapler pins. So this is also another kind of wrapping. Okay, so if you like the video, give a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and please subscribe for such many videos. Thank you.